Hello, welcome back to Initial Speed. I wasn't going to vlog this because I'm pretty sure you guys have seen enough car detailing, but I wanted to show you something. So now the car has been away getting some things done, which I'm sure you'll know by now. And so I was not the one to detail it, take care of it. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick it up, but I'm going to show you what it looks like right now and what I've done to it so far. So the car that I'm talking about is the Audi. I don't think the camera's going to pick it up, but do you see those little dots there? This paint is pretty close to being finished. I'm going to try to bring it back. So yeah, it wasn't taken care of. You can see it's all gray. It's supposed to be black. I don't know if you can see the contrast, the difference between the black and the gray. In any case, here's the bonnet, the hood. It's not very shiny. You can see the line where I've stopped. There's the fender. I'm trying to bring it all back. So the A pillar has been done, the B pillar, the C pillar has been done, the fender, the doors, which, I mean, even if I have to say so myself, looks pretty damn good. So I've got to take it to this quarter. I haven't touched this quarter yet. You can see the shine between the right and the left. The right is nice and shiny, the left is gray. You can see the line right down there. You can see it's shiny, not shiny. Anyhow, trying to get this thing to look mint. I guess I'll come back when the car is all finished. Beetle's looking good. IS is looking nice and shiny. I didn't vlog it because, why vlog everything? But the Jetta out there is the daily. The winter tires came off, the summer tires went on. The Golf over there, winter tires came off, summers went on. The Beetle, well, it's always sitting on summers. Washed all of those winters and summers, plus the Beetle, plus the Lexus, plus the Audi, and a set of wheels that I'm actually selling. I'm all wheeled out. Ooh, those two look good together. Yeah. Starting to try to revive the paint on the trunk, but it's pretty far gone. But it does look better than it did. That's what it did. That's what it looked like. And this is what it currently looks like. Now I'm gonna have to come up with money to get this thing painted. I mean, she's looking good though. So you can see the fender to the hood, bonnet. Bonnet is so faded, except that right side. We'll come back to that. You can see the paint looks way better now. The roof is still no good. I haven't touched it yet. But you can see that the paint is not horrible. It's not great. At least not by from a detailer's point of view. But all of that is polished. Now you can see the hood or bonnet. See, that doesn't look too bad. And then that looks horrible. The left is foggy looking. Brutal, scratched to hell, And then this side, I tried polishing up. It has come up nice. It has come up, but it's not great. So after all the hard work, this is what we're left with. So I just wanted to say thank you very much for watching Initial Speed, and I'm out.